top 6. This time, top 6 best adventure bikes on the market. Now for number 6. The KTM 1290 Super Adventure R. According to KTM, the Super Adventure R is the world's most advanced travel enduro chassis. Not many would dispute that claim, and the Adventure R is a straight-up off-road superbike. The 150 horsepower 1300cc engine is never left wanting for power, not even when you're at 14,000 feet. And while dirt and gravel are where the Super Adventure R sings, with the advanced level of adjustable fuel mapping, traction control and suspension, it's hard to find the KTM out of its element. Number 5 on the list. The Triumph Tiger 800 XCX. With its lightweight, manageable power and rider-focused electronic systems, the Tiger 800 XCX is the best off-road bike ever built by Triumph. The 800cc inline 358 foot-pounds of smooth, even torque via a ride-by-wire system is enough to keep things exciting on the pavement and predictable in the dirt. But one of the highlights of the Tiger is the undefeatable ABS. In off-road mode, ABS to the rear wheel is switched off, allowing for better rotation, tighter turns, and a little more fun under braking. Pound for pound, the Triumph Tiger 800 XCX is one of the best middleweight adventure bikes on the market. Now for number 4, we have the Ducati Multistrada 1200 Enduro. The 1200cc 150 horsepower V-twin hints at a superbike performance, and there's not a chance of doubting the Multistrada's track capabilities. It may sit tall, but its balance only lends itself to total versatility. The quirky Italian style is just a plus. The reworked Testastrada engine with desmodromic variable timing and dual spark ignition, combined with ABS, 4-ride mode, traction control, and double-sided swing arms, make the Multistrada 1200 the most advanced Ducati's lineup. Now for number 3, the Suzuki VStrom 1000 ABS. At a fraction of the price of most of its competitors, the Suzuki VStrom 1000 ABS makes big-ticket tech more attainable. With ABS, 2-stage traction control and adjustable suspension, the VStrom stands apart at its price point. At $1,299, it's hard to ask for more. With proper dirt tires, you can throw an entire mountain at the VStrom and it'll take it in a stride. Now for number 2. The Honda Africa Twin. The Africa Twin is an incredibly capable bike. The chassis and suspension shine thanks to the incredible engineering at work. Regardless if you choose DCT or 6-speed manual transmission as a package, the Africa Twin is a seriously well-sorted machine. Regardless of the transmission choice, it won't disappoint adventurers. It's a direct descendant of a Dakar winner. Down any dusty path it goes. And now, final number 1, the BMW R1200 GS Adventure. 30 years of perpetual refinement, iconic exposed cylinders, minimalistic styling, and aggressive bodywork lets you know the BMW R1200 GS Adventure isn't just some weekend warrior's plaything. It's the bike you choose in a post-apocalyptic Mad Max scenario. With 125 horsepower and a 400-mile range, the only foreseeable limits are the rider. Electronically adjustable ABS, traction control, and suspension means that fully loaded panniers are stripped naked. The R1200 GS is one of the best handling and most versatile bikes on or off-road. Thanks for watching, guys. Ride safe.